Morning fog and diesel hum. Steel giants wait, the tide will come. Hands on lines and engines low, guide the way where the deep ships go. Small but mighty in the river bend, working waters without an end. Tugboats on the Savannah, pulling the world through the turning tide. Quiet power on the water, keeping the harbor alive. Under the sunrise, under the stars, moving the giants mile by mile. Tugboats on the Savannah, steady and strong all the while. Whoa. River rolls, the horns reply. Another ship beneath the sky.